in person, but I'm happy to share this message with the people of Rhode Island. As governor, I have made equity a top priority in my administration, along with health, education, and the economy. When I took office, we immediately got to work to get people vaccinated in the minority community. We partnered in with the COVID-19 Equity Council to make site-specific vaccination days in communities of color. And with everyone's help, Rhode Island is now #1 in the country in vaccinations. I know that equity is important in leadership. That's why I made sure leaders in my administration and our state agencies are reflective of the communities we've served. From our Lieutenant Governor to one of my top chiefs of staff, to our Director of Community Outreach, to our judges, Colonel of the State Police, Commissioner of Education, and to our Commerce Department, which has helped us recover our economy faster than anywhere in the Northeast and reach the lowest unemployment rate in the history of the state of Rhode Island, and there's still good paying jobs available. Our Office for Diversity, Equity, and Opportunity, headed by Tomasa Villa, who I appointed, is having great success. The Minority Business Report is over 16%. 16% of those contracts are going to minority-owned businesses. That's the first time that's ever happened. Before I was governor, I was a coach, boys and girls, diverse teams, hundreds of games over several years. It taught me a great deal about what was lacking in many of the kids' lives, which had to do with education. So in 2009, I started public schools called Nowell Academies. Thousands of students attend those schools now. Those public schools today are 3 of the top 15 elementary schools in the state, 3 of the top 10 middle schools in the state, and the only schools on that list that have more than 30% free and reduced lunch population. I am uniquely qualified to help good things happen in Providence schools by working with people and making sure that those kids get the very best opportunity possible. My record over the last 18 months speaks for itself. We have much work ahead of us, and we know it takes leadership to bring all of the impacted communities to the table and make sure that their voices are part of the process.